Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita Prashant. I'm founder of Tots and Moms Foods. And today's video is about 1 year child. What food can be offered from our organic food store? We recently made 2 videos on 6 months baby food from Tots and Moms, 8 months baby food from Tots and Moms. So please do check those videos if you haven't checked yet. At 1 year, those foods can also still be continued. Like if you're offering porridges, you can still continue to do it for a while. Indians offer porridges for a long time, 3 years, 4 years. I wouldn't recommend that, but 1.5 year, 2 year, you can continue to offer it, and in moderate quantity, because by now your child should involve and indulge in eating regular food and get a hang of adjusting to normal food that we eat as well. Nutrition wise, taste wise, learning wise, it is the best way to do. But take it slow. Immediately things don't change after a year, especially if you have followed traditional method of weaning. So there are 6 varieties of instant mixes that you can choose from. These are things that can be products that can be mixed with piping hot water. You can cover it with a lid, rest it for a while and offer it to your child. Within 5 minutes your baby's food would be ready. And then a cereal mixes. There are 5 varieties of cereals. This can be mixed with water or milk, cooked with ghee if necessary, that's optional, and then offered to your child. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes only. There are 4 varieties of porridge mixes. These are all traditional food ranges. Millet sattu mavu, sprouted sattu mavu, Kerala banana powder, sprouted ragi powder, all this can be cooked like a porridge and offered. It is a porridge. Immune boosting, weight gaining foods are these. An amazing, wonderful, ancient food. That knowledge being passed on to us is something great that I'm proud of. There are also nutrient boosters. After 8 months, you can introduce dry fruits to your child, but how? They can't bite and eat. So in form of powder, you can check our dry fruits powder made of almond, pista, and nuts and seeds powder are also there. That's made of almond, pista, cashews and walnuts as well. So these 2 variants are nutrient booster, which can be added in any food of your child, be it porridge, dosa, idli, roti. Like filling you can use, or you can mix it in the roti dough and make flat rotis for your child. This will add up the nutrition. That's why it's called nutrient booster. So there is also dry dates powder as a natural sweetener, which you can continue to use if you have already introduced it to your child. So these are things that are already there. At 1 year, what you can add on is drink mixes. At 1 year, your child can now have cow's milk. Till a year, no cow's milk, sugar, salt, honey recommended for your child. After a year, you can slowly introduce cow's milk. 200 ml per day is enough, not more than that, because it is a liquid. It will fill up your child's stomach and you want them to eat solids for better nutrition. But 200 ml is very good. Full fat milk at that age is necessary. 1 to 2 years, your children grow very well and they need this full fat milk. And our drink mixes are made of dry fruits. There are made with jaggery, no white sugar used here. So to add on that nutrition value, you can use these. If you go and buy commercial products, don't buy, just go to a mall and check what is mentioned. At least 70 to 80% of it will be sugar, 1% of almond, 2% of wheat, and other chemicals would be there, filled with things that are not recommended for growing children. So our products are, hence our brand is getting famous, getting an identity. Though we struggled a lot, yes, we are still struggling to fight with big brands, but we have made an identity. They think before introduce anything. They check our products, copy our sattu mavu, copy our dry fruits. They have literally copied all our food products. Somewhere it hurts, but I am proud. I am doing the right thing. Our brand is doing the right thing. Our people are super proud seeing that. Sometimes they come to me and they say that what's happening, please let's file a suit against them and all. But no, these are traditional stuff. If it is followed, it's well and good. I got it from my ancestors. The brand got its value from making chemical free, organic, something that is made at home, equally that is made at your kitchen. Okay, coming back to the next category would be of pancake mixes. At 1 year, you can see few teeth, and your child can now start eating, picking up with their fingers. Even that fine gross motor skill is not yet developed completely, but they can, yes, pick up few things and put it in their mouth and chew it. Their jawline is strong, their few teeth are coming out, and this is the right time for them to learn to eat. So pancake mixes are soft and the right thing for them to adapt to natural and normal eating. There are two variants: banana almond pancake made of Kerala banana, almond, jaggery, wheat, and there is choco almond pancake, and the kids love chocolate flavor, and there's nothing harm if it is organic. It is made using organic cocoa powder, and hence it is definitely healthier for them, and these can be made very quickly. For their snack boxes as well, you can add these. There is next range of natural sweeteners. After a year, when you can, I mean, sugar is okay, but sugar, white sugar, bleached sugar isn't recommended for anybody, rather, not just kids. So natural sweeteners like dry dates powder, palm jaggery, coconut jaggery, organic jaggery, these are a better, healthier option. And any day I would say, please control the amount of any sweet, be it natural sweet or the sugar, white sugar. Give it in limited quantity, because it's not great to give lot of sugar. Obesity, sweet tooth is developed, and definitely not recommended at night. You can offer sugary food or foods made with jaggery at home, with dry dates at home, only till 6 or 7 o'clock at night while they are sleeping. For dinner, nothing made of sugar. Cakes, sweets, I would say please stay away from it. And next range of products, last but not the least, cookies. Our products are really getting famous. 3 variant of cookies are available, and these are made with good amount of butter, jaggery, millets, ragi, foxtail millet, finger millet, which is ragi only, and we have used all healthy ingredients here along with good amount of dry fruits. Please check our packaging, and please talk to a customer care if you want to know more about it, and go to Amazon, see the reviews. Our products, our cookies are so famous that people from abroad order it and buy them. Varsha, who takes care of our Sarjapur store, just now told me that a person bought 20 boxes of cookies, and when asked out of curiosity, how come 20 at once, he said, I am from North India, I am going there for holiday, and I prefer your cookies over anything for my child. I trust this so much, because as soon as you open the packet, you can smell that butter. We do not use any additives, no chemicals to flavor it, nothing. You may say our products are expensive. Cookies outside we get at 10 rupees. What is there in that 10 rupees? They are creating addiction. Now for that 10 rupees you wouldn't stop, you would have it whole month. And what is there in maida? What is there in white sugar? What is there in so much chemical that is harming your body? These are carcinogenous, so please stay away from them. And I mean, these things make me happy and proud that people are understanding the motto behind brands like ours. There are so many brands, Little Mo Pet Foods, Early Foods, who are fighting hard to educate people, educate parents to understand how important is a healthy next generation. We do not have a safe environment. Food is the medicine. Let's not go and dive and eat so many medicines later by ignoring what we eat today. So I'm really thankful that there are so many people who understand the value of this brand, and And yes, few people ask if there is any discount. Please go and check our combo pack section. All food variety combination we have made, like drink mix combo, cookies combo. There are good percentage of discounts that you can avail. You can even check our trial packs, which are a good option of checking if your baby will like almond and dates drink or choco dates or this pancake or that pancake. You can buy chota packets now and then decide which bigger pack you want to avail. So our products are available on Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry and Meesho. Do check that without fail. You can read our reviews. You can read our reviews on Google. Please share a video if you like our product. That is the best thing I can expect from somebody who loves the brand. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you will check our product. Shop.totsandmoms.com is our own store. Our products are available in Sarjapur Road, Tots and Moms exclusive store in Bangalore. In Bannerghatta Road and many other places our products are available. So the detail is given in the list in the description. Do check that. And any question, 888-444-7337 is the number you'll have to talk to. Our customer support is very strong. 3 women who work with me, Varsha, Nivedita and Chaitra, take care of all of your queries on YouTube, any question, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. They take care of it so well that you will be happy. Any question you want to ask, you can ask there. And WhatsApp and phone call is quicker during office hours. Please contact there for quicker response. Otherwise, yes, within 24 to 48 hours on every comment on our YouTube video, on every comment on our Facebook post or video, it is taken care of. Thank you so much, and I bid a bye.